One of the things that actually occurred simultaneously with the application of this kind of technology into the packaging labs was the instrumentation, the development of better and better instrumentation, computer control instead of, originally, just before my time at Michigan State, a shock pulse would be on an oscilloscope that had like a Polaroid camera on the front. You open the lens, do the test, and the beam would then come across that big. That would be what you would read the shock. But then Hewlett-Packard introduced a oscilloscope that would retain the signal, the storage scope, and so you could get your peak G's and you could get your duration of the pulse, this sort of thing. Some of the first packaging programs, computer-based. I mean, it was just a world of difference. And in the last, 10 years or so, not only could you get peak acceleration, duration, you get the velocity change, you get the rebound coefficient, you get all these numbers. Oh, and to get a good pulse, you didn't have to have an inline filter. You didn't have to eliminate all that information before it ever got to the scope. And through using the computer, we could filter it to that level where we could get a discernible primary value without overfiltering, which distorts and changes values. We could do all this stuff on the computer, and that to me was godsend. I mean, we did a lot of instrument drop tests. We did a lot of cushioning tests using in-package with simulated load, and thousands upon thousands of instrumented impacts, and the event of the computer, the ability to save it on a disk without having to keep hard copies, sort of thing. That was in the general protective packaging, industrial protective packaging industry. From the lab part of it was also very huge to where the field was when I left back in 2009.